Deep beneath the surface of the ocean lies one of Earth's most fascinating, yet often overlooked groups of creatures, sea worms. These invertebrates inhabit nearly every marine ecosystem, from shallow coral reefs to the darkest ocean trenches. Despite their simple appearance, sea worms play crucial roles in maintaining marine biodiversity and ecosystem balance. Sea worms are not a single species but a vast group encompassing thousands of types. They belong to various phyla, including Annelid, Platyhelminthes, and Nemertea. Each group has its own unique structure, feeding method, and habitat preference. Annelid worms, often called segmented worms, are among the most common marine worms. Their bodies are divided into ring-like segments that allow them to move efficiently through sand and mud. Famous examples include the Polychaete worms, known for their bristled bodies and vibrant colors. Polychaetes are sometimes called bristle worms because of the tiny hair-like bristles on each segment called chaetae. These bristles help them crawl, dig, or swim. Some species even use them to sense vibrations and detect nearby predators or prey. Flatworms, or Platyhelminthes, are another type of sea worm. They have flattened bodies that glide gracefully through water or over surfaces. Many flatworms are brightly colored, warning predators that they may be toxic or distasteful. Ribbon worms, or Nemerteans, are famous for their long, elastic bodies that can stretch several times their length. Some species can even extend their proboscis, a long feeding tube, to capture prey. Sea worms are found in nearly every marine environment, from tropical coral reefs to freezing polar seas. They burrow in sand hide under rocks or swim freely in open water. One of the most amazing habitats for sea worms is the hydrothermal vent ecosystem. These deep-sea environments, located along tectonic ridges, host species like the giant tube worm. These worms live in complete darkness, relying on symbiotic bacteria for nutrition instead of sunlight. The giant tube worm, Riftia pachyptela, can grow over 2 meters long. It has no mouth or stomach, but survives thanks to bacteria living inside its body that convert toxic chemicals into energy. This remarkable adaptation allows it to thrive in one of the harshest environments on the planet. Some sea worms, like feather duster worms, are known for their beauty. They build protective tubes from sand and shell fragments and extend feathery plumes to filter food particles from the water. When disturbed, they quickly retract into their tubes for safety. Marine biologists often refer to sea worms as the engineers of the seabed. Their burrowing and feeding activities help recycle nutrients and oxygenate sediments. This process supports countless other forms of marine life, from bacteria to fish. Sea worms also play a vital role in breaking down organic material. As they consume detritus and decaying matter, they transform it into nutrients that sustain ocean ecosystems. In this way, they act like natural recyclers of the sea. Some species are bioluminescent, producing their own light in the deep ocean. These glowing worms use light for communication, camouflage, or to lure prey. The phenomenon of bioluminescence continues to inspire scientific research into natural lighting and bioengineering. Certain sea worms have developed symbiotic relationships with other organisms. For example, some live in coral reefs, cleaning or sharing resources with their hosts. These partnerships highlight the interconnectedness of marine life. The reproduction of sea worms varies greatly between species. Many release eggs and sperm into the water, allowing external fertilization. Others, like tube worms, nurture their young within protective structures until they are ready to swim freely. Some sea worms reproduce asexually by dividing themselves into 2 or more parts, each capable of regenerating into a full organism. This ability to regenerate lost segments or body parts is a remarkable evolutionary advantage. It helps them survive injury and predation. Despite their ecological importance, sea worms often go unnoticed by the public. Yet, scientists recognize them as indicators of environmental health. The abundance and diversity of sea worms in an area often reflect the condition of the ocean floor. Pollution, climate change, and ocean acidification threaten many marine worm species. Oil spills and chemical waste can destroy their habitats and reduce oxygen levels in sediments. Conservation of marine ecosystems is crucial for their survival. Some sea worms are considered pests in aquaculture and marine construction. They can bore into wooden ships, piers, and coral structures. However, these behaviors are natural adaptations that help them find shelter and food. Interestingly, scientists have found that certain sea worms produce bioactive compounds. These chemicals may have potential uses in medicine, such as antibiotics or anti-cancer drugs. Research into marine biochemistry continues to uncover new discoveries from these humble creatures. In traditional cultures, some coastal communities have used sea worms as food or fishing bait. In places like the Philippines and Papua New Guinea, certain species are considered delicacies. Their protein-rich bodies provide a sustainable source of nutrition. Sea worms also inspire biomimicry, the design of human technology based on natural models. Engineers study their movement to create underwater robots or flexible machinery. Nature's engineering, perfected over millions of years, offers valuable lessons for innovation. The study of sea worms also helps us understand evolution. Their fossil record dates back hundreds of millions of years, offering clues about early marine life. These simple organisms demonstrate how life adapted to the changing oceans over time. In art and education, sea worms are starting to receive more attention. Their vibrant shapes and behaviors make them fascinating subjects for underwater photographers and filmmakers. Documentaries now showcase their hidden beauty to audiences around the world. In conclusion, sea worms are far more than just strange creatures of the deep. They are vital contributors to ocean health, scientific discovery, and even human innovation. By protecting their habitats and studying their adaptations, we gain a deeper appreciation of how interconnected all life in the ocean truly is.